Hello there, guys. Welcome back to another short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics. The reason why I wanted to talk to you today, guys, is to show you how to save a PNG, a JPEG file within Adobe Photoshop. After a few updates on the software, there's another step that you may need to take to achieve your file requirements. Before, what you would do is go File, Save As. And the reason why they've changed this is the operating systems, for example, Apple, Mac OS, have changed something fundamental in the operating system. So Adobe had to change their functions to suit the changes that these operating systems made. But I always have a solution, okay? And the new solution is to save a copy. We would like to save this now. If we go to File, instead of going to Save As you can see, we have Save a Copy. If we come here, save on your computer, then we have the format here. And there you can see you have JPEG, EPS, all different ones that you're used to and would need to use PDF within your graphic design life. Now, as you can see, I don't have the PNG format here for this particular image. So let's press cancel. What we're going to do is we're going to go to Image, Mode, and we need to change the color format to RGB. So let me quickly change that to RGB. Wonderful. Now, if we were to go File, Save a Copy, save on your computer, and we was to open up the format options, as you can see, we now have the PNG option. I have the Batman logo on a plain background here, okay? And I'm a bit of a Batman fan, so I would like to show you how to now save this as a PNG also. So we're going to come to File, Save a Copy, save on your computer. Oh, no, we don't see the PNG format here. So what I would need to do is press cancel. Yeah, again, we need to come to Image, Mode. As you can see, it's in the CMYK. We're going to change that to RGB. Fantastic. And now, if I want to save this as a PNG, we're going to go File, Save a Copy, save on your computer. And as you can see, we have the PNG format. Okay, guys. And that is how you save as JPEGs and PNGs and other file formats within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, and us as tutors, please don't take a second and visit our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, take a look at our social media, some really cool stuff on there by our really talented students at Blue Sky Graphics UK. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.